Here I have VIVO S1 Prime, and today I'm going to show you how to reset settings on this device. First of all, you have to open settings, then scroll down to the bottom, go to the system section, then reset options, and then select the third option, reset all settings, which will reset all settings on your device to the default. After that, your device will be restarted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.